Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this dinosaur shooting toy with sounds. As you can tell by the photo, you have this cool little device here that is able to shoot the balls into the mouth of the dinosaur, and it's able to keep score. Fun little game for kids. Airsoft softball shot, scoring function, moving function, spray function, light and music. A little bit more of the details here on the back, and then how you actually load the foam balls into the shooter. Let me show you what comes inside of this. Cut our little seal. So we have everything you'd need here. Nice little instruction set. A bunch of these nice, very, very soft foam balls. This is the little shooters. You're able to just load them in and shoot them. You do get 2 of those. Very nice. And then there's a set of green softballs. And that's it for the box. There's, of course, this, which keeps your score and everything. It also includes a little screwdriver. That's to get into this, where that you put the batteries, which it takes 3 AA batteries that are not included, so make sure you get those. Your on-off switch is right here, and other than that, you'd be able to set it down and it can spin and rotate, and you're able to shoot them in to its mouth to keep score. That is everything that would come inside of this box for this little toy. Just make sure you grab yourself 3 AA batteries. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.